Adding an image over your video in Davinci Resolve is a great way to enhance your content, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a quick guide to help you add image over video in Davinci Resolve. So the first thing you have to do is import your image. So for you to be able to import your image, go to the media page and import the image you want to overlay. Now after that, add image to timeline, switch to the edit page, drag your imported image from the media pool and drop it onto a new track above your video clip. Now after that, you have to resize and position. So how do you resize and position? Click on the image in the timeline. In the inspector panel, use the transform control to resize and position the image as needed. Now after that, you need a bit of adjustment in duration. So for you to be able to adjust your duration, drag the edge of the image clip in the timeline to match the duration you want it to appear over the video. After that, you can blend and composite. Now how do you do that? Use the composite settings in the inspector panel to blend the image with your video. After that, adjusting the opacity and the blend modes as needed. So this actually depends on you. The adjusting of the opacity and the blending modes as needed, those two are self-dependent. So it depends on you and the color spectrum at which the image and the video clip work together. So with that, we can adjust the opacity and the blend mode. So and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.